Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a calendar on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the More section next to the Websites button and go to the calendar option next to the Zoom virtual background. Here you have more options. If you want to add pictures and other files to your project, just go to the Uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the Gallery option, and here you can find images from your device. In the Elements section, you can search different graphic elements, for example, shapes, stickers, charts, and more. If you want to add text to your calendar, just go to the Text button and click to the Add the Text Box option. If you want to draft, just go to the Draft section and just draft it to the canvas. If you go to the Design section, you can find the different styles and templates which were created by professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. New, you can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the Design section and just select another color. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that. You can move and you can edit the size. New, if you want to change the text, just click to the text box, delete the text, and new, you can edit your text. If you want to change the style, just click to the arrow next to the Borsok text type name. And here you can select another text style and font type. Just select one and step on it. If you want to edit the size, just click to the minus or the plus icon. And in the effect section, you can add shadows and shapes effects to your text. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.